called Statistics for Management in Management. Why we need to read this? What is the relevance? And padhe to kya kare? Okay, what is the importance of this subject called statistics? I am happy that quite a few of you have read statistics in your degree course, but maybe after 1-2 sessions you will try to understand. Even also our BBA from our own school, School of Management like Rohini or others, you'll find that this same subject will be read, viewed, discussed differently. And I'll be presenting this subject as a subject for decision making. So every example, all of you will be requested to view इसमें decision making का है क्या, करना क्या है. Okay, I'm repeating it. Please note it down. All of you should try to understand, and I'll be asking that to view as a decision maker. Now, first of all, I would like to say what we are going to do. This is the plan of my presentation today. I'll be introducing the subject as a tool for decision making. Then we'll be trying to discuss, distinguish, differentiate the two terms called data and information through examples. Then we'll be going for the classification of data, classification of information. We'll give sufficient examples, and then we'll see how statistics applied in different fields, application of statistics into different fields. End of the class, we'll have some cases, exercises. It will be a group exercise event. Hope you'll enjoy that. So this is what I have the plan for today's section. Before I start, formally, though you have been welcome, I welcome you all once again to my class and also to a beautiful place called School of Management. I think some of you are my ex-students of BBA, and they may be knowing the relationship between student, teacher, and the principal here. Maybe like I'll show you this picture where you can guess that student, teachers are alike in the audience. You can view me and my young colleague Asutosh. We are sitting in the audience, and as you can guess, students have taken over. They are having a quiz time. The questions are both for teachers and students. You can see that we are also participants. We enjoy your participation like this. So just to say, the feel that we take you at par because you are postgraduates now. So I expect you to contribute in each of the sessions like this. Now, what I just wanted to say you or emphasize here, you will come to know that we have to live with statistics. Whether you like it or not, we have to live with statistics. So my submission, suggestion, request, if we have to live with the statistics, why not having a law for statistics? And statistics will be used for decision making, as I'll be presenting today. Now, statistics, you'll find, will be available everywhere. As and when you have a need to make a decision or you decide, right? Say, for example, while selecting this school, this program, MBA, if you agree with me, you have choices, okay? This program or other program, this school or other school. Maybe you took a decision by comparing some parameters. Do you agree with me, Tina? Say, for example, whether this MBA program or any admission, parents decide on what the parameters. Tina, I think you are bit inattentive, so the question went to you. I can observe. What is my last sentence? Quote my last sentence.
So you were saying that we used like even for our admissions, we use statistics for it.
Any admission, not only MBA admission. That was my question. Maybe you or the parents or the family, they perhaps like compare some parameters. Are you getting my point? Some of the volunteers have raised.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody give input?
So I'll
Quick,
give.
save time.
So I'll give.
No, some volunteers had raised hand, no?
Yes, sir. Please.
Really? Then Anisa Mahanti. I don't know why you are not volunteering. I need to
Yes,
call
sir.
out your names.
Yes, sir. Very good morning, sir. This is Piali Palit here. Am I audible, sir?
Arey, answer bol na, dear.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All can read your PLE. Okay. Save
Okay.
time.
Yeah.
If
Sure,
you
sir.
waste 30 seconds, that is very costly for me. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Straight answer.
Yes, sir. We compared many parameters like what are the number of placements. Obviously, to be very honest, I compared the placement part. I'll tell
Wow.
about mine. I compared the placement part. I saw about many colleges.
Fine,
I sat for
got
CAT.
it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well done. Manisha Singh.
Hello, sir.
So in my case, I also employed stats in my life as a for making decision whether to do MCom or MBA, and also when I decided for doing MBA, then MBA from which college?
What is my question? Perhaps some of you are not listening
Morning,
to
sir.
Manisha.
Morning,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm a statistics graduate, and while I was in my college, I was very clear that I do not want to do MSc further, but because
अरे बेटा, अरे
some of
dear, सुन तो लो यार. आप लोग सुनते
sir.
नहीं हो.
Sorry,
I
sir.
just suggested the last sentence of mine. I'm not asking like why you have joined MBA. Is my English that bad that you are not getting me? I'm asking in any family, there is some admission taking place. It could be like +2 or engineering or degree course. What parents decide? What are the parameters? Usually the students or the parents debate, decide. वही बोलना है. ऐसा नहीं कि
Sir, can I say?
हाँ बोलो ना, जल्दी करना.
Sir, before taking admission, we parents or students, they take into consideration the core subjects. So like, first of all, the honors, arts, science, commerce. If arts, they must be
अरे बेटा,
prioritizing.
बहुत serious हो तू. अरे सुन तो ले. While selecting college का reputation, brand, rating, वो आता है नहीं आता है?
Which college? Yes, sir, that is first.
One of your previous speaker was very honest, candid. I liked it. He told कि नहीं placement कहाँ placement होता है? Okay. She was very straightforward. Okay. So now when you are comparing, say for example, somebody tells KIT has got like ranking like 24, 25, whatever. So you are referring some number information or not? So आपके पास options होंगे. If you dream, you cannot get admission in Stanford or Harvard. Okay, जो feasible options होंगे, उनमें से you are comparing something. That something is called information, and those information are nothing but part of statistics or facts and figures. That's what I'm suggesting. So college admission selection decision also dependent on some statistics. Am I talking straight now? Bodhisattva?
Sir, the fees of the colleges.
Yes, fantastic. So is it like facts, figures, or like stories, information, right? Thank you so much. Now,
Sir, the place
Hello,
place also matters a lot.
Yes.
The environment,
Well
teaching environment.
Well taken. Thank you so much. Can we move ahead? So admission के बाद, inside the college को चलाना है, administration. For administration also, you need to take day-to-day decisions. Say there is a program office. Slowly you'll be coming to know that the PGP will be after you every now and then. आपने ये किया, ये नहीं किया, you कोई नहीं किया. Rohini must have got dozens of mails. You are absent,
Yes,
or you are present, or you did well, kind of thing. So how do they know how many persons are absent? So they check some facts and figures. So college ko admission, suppose your fees are pending. Okay. So how do they know? So for administration or management also you need statistics. Okay. Those who will be debated. Is there any debate condition, Rohini, before you are allowed to sit for final exam?
No, sir.
No?
If we are debarred or if we are doing our back papers, we are not allowed, sir. We will.
So,
the list is
this
given
making
from the
for exam. Program office will be coming out with a, suppose you are falling short of attendance. Okay, go for the rules. Okay, they will be checking through the Excel sheet. Less than this, not allowed to appear. Okay, so those type of decision making is based on information. Am I making sense? So how you are indirectly using a lot of statistics for decision making every now and then, that's what I'm presenting in my examples. Say, for example, every family, now it's online classes. We are consuming a lot of data. And I think when you are to advise your parents, Revansa,
Yes, sir.
is it that any net pack we should go? ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. There are many providers, and within
Yes.
the provider there are also many different packs. Unlimited pack, 2 GB pack per day, kind of thing. So how do you decide? Whimsically you decide or make a comparison?
Sir, we make a comparison. We see which is the best for the value.
Very good.
Like
Then when you are
which
deciding
offers most
value
data.
for money or requirement, then you take a decision. So what I'm just
Yes.
suggesting is, even for family decisions, also day-to-day activities, we need some type of information. That information, what I'm indirectly suggesting, is not about some facts, figures, which is part of statistics. Okay, moving forward, you name a field, there is statistics. Even also game, any game, or even like say for a more particularly cricket, there's a lot of statistical analysis. We'll be showing it now. So what I'm suggesting is, for even managerial decisions, we need data, we need statistics, we need information. So we have to have a lot of information for decision making. Now in GIST, what we have been discussing for decision making, we need some information. वो information कहाँ से मिलता है? You have to get from data. So data gives information. Now coming down to the meaning definition of data, the simplest, shortest definition could be is nothing but facts and figures. Okay. Now coming to the classification of data, I think this is all what you must have known. Data could be either quantitative or qualitative. Okay. I think these are all elementary and you all know that. Can I trouble Shreya Madam, Shreya Mishra? Quick, less
Yes,
than a
sir.
minute. And then Nishita, get ready. Example of quantitative data, example of qualitative data. Shreya first, then Nishita. And if required, I may ask trouble Nikita Agarwal.
So quantitative, that is which can be measured, as you said, like KIT ka rankings. So those are like particular rankings. Those can be measured.
रैंकिंग कब करते हैं बेटा?
Comparisons होते हैं जब.
अरे रैंकिंग बेटा कब करते हैं? कहाँ करते हैं? एग्जांपल दे.
So just as you said, like KIT, when we joined KIT, so there are suppose 5 different colleges.
रैंकिंग जो होता है परसेप्शन होता है ना, कौन सा अच्छा है, ठीक है?
Yes,
So
sir.
ranking actually ऐसा होता है, and what I'm advising indirectly, Shreya dear,
Yes, sir.
if you are giving this type of example in exam ना, full mark नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. Say for example, जहाँ pure solid quantification नहीं बनता है, तब
Yes, sir.
हम ranking जा सकते हैं, optional. Suppose your height, weight, marks, all are examples of quantitative. Say for example, beauty contest. Beauty contest में first, second, third ranking होता है नहीं होता है?
Yes, sir.
So beauty, can it be measured?
No, sir.
No. How than comparing? कुछ बंदे बैठते हैं
हाँ.
तो जजेस कैसे देते हैं? तो out of 10, out of 25 मार्क्स देते हैं ना?
Marks are given.
So it's a relative quantification of qualitative data. Soumya Singh, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask, sir, कि जैसे यूटिलिटी होती है कि आपको आपने एक रोटी खाई तो उसका सेटिस्फैक्शन जो हम जिससे वो करते हैं वो भी तो क्वांटिटेटिव.
कितना अच्छा लगा फीडबैक. ये जो स्विगी वाला घटिया है या बहुत बढ़िया है. So you are rating it, ठीक है ना? So you are getting my point. Rating, ranking.
Yes, sir.
ज्यादातर क्वालिटेटिव परसेप्शन को हम रैंकिंग करते हैं. Very good, Soumya. Okay. Now moving forward from another angle, we know that a data can be classified as primary data or secondary data. First Sayan Saha, then Daksha Singh. Examples, jaldi bolo. Time save karo fatafat. You are in PG class.
The primary data is when a company finds it for itself, and secondary data is when they refer to for journals, magazine for the
Published
data
sources.
provided.
Fantastic. Perfect. Daksha, examples.
So I was going to say about the secondary. Sir, audible now?
अरे बोल ना जल्दी बेटा.
Yes, sir. So secondary will be primary data can be like the rating, as you said. We give the rating, and then the company will be rate. So we rate the company Swiggy, and the Swiggy will be rating it.
शाम तक एग्जांपल दे सकता है? अरे बेटा 10-20 सेकंड्स में बोल ना एग्जांपल फटाफट फटाफट.
So I'm not sure of it.
Snehal, for
Can
that.
I give an example?
Snehal, जल्दी बोल.
Sir, like the junk,
फटाफट.
like this जो counting होता है sir every 10 years में वो primary data है.
उसको
And
census
secondary
बोलते हैं.
data,
Census बोलते हैं.
census counting जो होता है sir every 10 years में वो
Very
primary
good.
data है, sir.
Fantastic.
Sir, may I also give one
हाँ
more?
बोल ना सौम्य.
The secondary data can be taken from the Google. Google पे भी बहुत सारे
अरे
statistics
बेटा
other
एग्जांपल
company
दे
के भी
ना.
होते हैं.
सपोज इंडिया का कोविड डेथ से 1.5 लाख. How do I know? I have counted myself or putting some source?
So by using the statistics data.
Published data ना, so secondary data. ठीक है? So example ऐसा ही देना. Thank you so much. Moving ahead. Now from another angle, we can also classify data into what you are collecting, that is collected data. It is sometimes you are not collecting, it is reported and auto-generated. Okay, hold on. So you will be getting to know what is the difference between this. Sometimes अपने आप आ जाता है. The example one, exercise 1 that I will be giving. So if it is not clear by the end of the class, you can ask me. Hope in the slides to come, you will get to know what is the difference between the this example. Okay, so these are the types you should know. Then जैसे हमने बोले थे डाटा से इंफॉर्मेशन निकालना पड़ेगा. Why you will be getting information? तरुण गुप्ता जल्दी बोल फटाफट.
We should know the information.
क्योंकि हम सब पागल हैं. डाटा से इंफॉर्मेशन क्यों निकालेंगे?
For making the decision.
जोर से बोलना.
For making the decision.
Very good, fantastic. That is the correct answer. Maybe there is a requirement to decide, so that's why we need specific information. Fantastic. And we get some idea which we'll be calling as knowledge. Okay, moving forward, I'm trying to give, I think you can guess what I'm showing. So can I call it as some data? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it raw data?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can I call it information? Tathagat Das. Fatafat bolo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it is an information from which you have to collect the data.
How it is information?
This is data, sir.
This is data from where we have to get
This is not
information.
information, sir. This is
एक
only data.
मिनट पहले बोला था. Why we need information? Bhagyasri, why you need information? फटाफट बोलो, save time.
Sir, it gives us an idea about the data.
Decision making. क्या decision लेना चाहते हो? So you should know why you need information. Okay. Say for example, director wanted to know this batch, how many of you are seniors? Okay. Seniors का मतलब freshly degree complete किए हो या last year, last to last year, 2-4 साल पहले complete किए हो and you have got some job experience. If that is my purpose, I think you will guess a table like this will be of help. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2020 में कितने complete किए, 2019 में कितने complete किए, and you can see as I have compiled this data, we have graduates, MBA students, those who have completed as early as 2015. Okay. Now, what I'm indirectly suggesting, even a table can also be called information because it is informative. Repeat, if some facts figures are informative, making sense to me, मुझे आइडिया अंदाजा मैं लगा सकता हूं, जो मैं चाहता था मिल गया. So even a small table can also be called information. Okay, and if I put it in graphically like this, looks better. Now again I'm telling, a graph can also be example of information. Moving ahead, even COVID data, which I have already given in my QT handbook, these are secondary data and these are raw data, and maybe like there are some facts figures, but if I want specific information, it's not giving that handy information. Suppose I want to know कहाँ अभी situation बहुत critical है. Can I know this from this? Maybe like a simple graph like this. If you see Odisha, okay, coastal area, nowadays very, very critical till date. Okay, I think this is more informative. So this is a piece of information for me. Moving forward, the latest data on vaccination, which is like a very massive drive that the government, both state and center, jointly devoting. This is for the state of Odisha. As you can see, this is taken just last week, latest data. Till last week, you can see from 605 centers, vaccination program going on, how many per day are giving first dose, second dose, and total vaccination. Okay. Now, for this case, nationally, you can see that there are, it's a last week, as on 29 June that I'm giving here. So as high as 38,504 centers vaccination going on, out of which government sector vaccination centers, and there are also private center vaccination center available. And you can see so far more than 32 crore vaccines given. Okay, 26.9 crore first dose and 5.69 crore second dose. So I can know that how far we have progressed. If I want to know, even a figure like this will also be information. Say for example, this line. Now from this line, all of you can read it. This simple figure, 1.5%. Can I call it as information? Will it be carrying any meaning to us?
Yes,
how can you interpret this PLE Palit? 1.5% meaning क्या है?
So out of the total number of people who were found positive, 1.5 people died out of it.
हाँ, उसमें से ठीक है, correct, fine. Something more beyond that. Anybody who can give a try? Naveen or Sanjana, in that order.
So may I?
हाँ, बोलो जल्दी.
So out of the 9 lakh people we are testing, 3.6% found positive and 1.5% death. So we can evaluate from that.
नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रहा था ना, सिंपल 1.5% से क्या इन्फोर करेंगे? Let's give a chance to Naveen. Naveen was, I think, ready to advise.
Sir, death rate.
वो तो बोल दी ना. Your previous speaker has already told. Something else. ऐसा है.
Recoveries. Sir, it actually says that among the positive cases, approximately 40% of the positive cases were dead.
Can I give a try? Can you just give me a chance? मुझे बोलने का मौका मिलेगा, श्रेया मैडम?
Yes,
मान लो unfortunately मुझे कोविड हो गया, ठीक है? Now 1.5% में से that figure, can I be hopeful कि भाई more than 98% chance जो है recover मैं कर पाऊंगा? इसमें पता चलता नहीं, अरिजीत? Death rate का मतलब चांस कितना कम है. So one can be hopeful, भाई 98% से ज्यादा होप तो है कि आदमी बच जाएगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Rageshri madam, am I making sense?
Yes,
or that
sir.
is boring you? Rageshri madam will go to
Yes,
sleep.
sir.
Moving forward, so what we have been telling, what is information? Information is that piece of information which helps for our required decision. even a number, even a table, even a graph can also be called as information. Or we may need some formula and we extract, process as per our need, for which we'll be studying statistics. We'll be discussing it in case today itself. And I can give so many examples, YouTube statistics, okay? So how much of analysis is going on in YouTube? If you really minutely observe, I was not knowing, I'm very new to this, since only because of the online classes, since last year I'm a bit active here. So I'm just like impressed, who is watching my video? What age group, which country, how much of hours being viewed, so that I can focus. If young mass students are watching, so I should better focus on academic video lectures. So that helps me in deciding who are my audience. So this is what, like, is it only the kid students or only Indians or abroad they are also watching? If I find that a sizable non-Indians also watching, so I'll be trying not to use Hindi in my discussion. Okay, so this helps me improving my for the future videos. Okay, now what we are suggesting, the key is the gist of statistics, which we call information, and that should be informative. Now, before we try to extract information from data, we need to understand, remember a few points like this. What exact information I need for my decision? जैसे हमने बोले थे, net pack चाहिए. Suppose you are contented with कि 2 GB per day is enough. So 2 GB में से कहाँ सस्ता मिलता है and कहाँ flawless मिलता है. So if your parameter is stability, good network, then you go for that. Then why I need information? How do I get the information? Then you have to decide the types of data which you have already discussed. Okay, we'll be giving some examples now to have a feel. I think you have already explained, but I'll be giving some examples quickly. Difference between quantitative and qualitative data, and we can also discuss indirectly data. What is variable? May not be today. Okay, I'll give 2 examples. Say, for example, one, say, called example of GD performance. And while we have some experience booking a ticket, nowadays we don't travel in train. Just imagine 2 years back, you might have booked ticket for you or for your family. Any one of you have the experience of booking a train ticket?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have done that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose there is a huge demand for a particular train. What happens there?
We don't get a ticket, sir.
Waiting list, sir. Waiting list.
Has anybody seen by chance?
Yeah, this
Has
waiting list.
anybody seen by chance a pop-up window like this?
Yes, sir. Waiting list.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Waiting list, then RAC, then
RAC also.
So there is
Probability of
something like
confirmation. Yeah.
Probability of confirmation.
Chances.
some of you have already seen Anugraha. Am I uttering your name correctly? What does it mean? My first question is, what does it mean? Probability of confirmation, and any guess how it might have been calculated? 2 points. What does it mean? And any guess how it might have been calculated? Any guess?
The probability of confirmation is the chances of getting a confirmed ticket.
Okay.
And I think the second.
Sanidhya?
Sir, it is actually, sir, it is calculated by
first, then Anish Kumar. Sanidhya, am I uttering your name correctly?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Take over, फटाफट जल्दी बोलो ना.
Like the probability of confirmation is 70%, and like because it can be in the waiting list, so That's the probability.
Is this information useful, Sanjana Singh? That's 70%. Is it useful? You can say honestly, I don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
Sanjana Singh, you can say
No, sir.
honestly. No, na?
It is not useful.
No का दो मतलब हो सकता है. No का मतलब it is not useful. No का मतलब I don't know.
So it is not useful.
Not useful, ना? आज गुस्से में हो क्या? Why you are so angry today? So जो IRCTC दे रहा है वो बकवास कर रहा है. They are wasting your time.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
can I
sir.
speak?
Who told you, yes, sir? पार्थ सारथी बाबू.
Yes, sir.
What is sir? अरे आंसर बोलना. Yes, sir बाद में. ये जो 70% is useful or not useful? You can say I don't know also.
I think
Don't waste time.
Sir, I think
Sir, can I try?
हाँ बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
May I try?
Can I try?
हाँ बोलो रे कोई तो बोलो.
Sir, actually, that probability of confirmation 70%, that tells us how likely our seat is going to get confirmed. And that probability, I think, has been calculated on the basis of past data points.
नहीं second question का आंसर तो सही है. मैंने बोला था. Is it really useful?
Yes, sir, it's useful.
it is useful.
Yes, sir, it is useful.
कैसे useful? कैसे useful? बोलो ना.
Sir, it will help us to make particular decisions whether we want to travel to the particular train or not.
No, let us try
And
to.
sir,
हाँ
the
बोलो बोलो.
statistics are done on the basis of how many people have booked the ticket between this time, and how much probability we have got is 70%. That means we can our ticket can be confirmed, 70% chances, or there are only 30% chances.
Don't feel bad. I like how told कि नहीं useful नहीं है. Don't feel bad, dear. You are my dearest student. Who told? Be confident.
Okay, sir. Actually, it is useful.
एक मिनट रुक जा बेटा.
I'm so sorry.
अनीस एक मिनट रुक जा बेटा. कोई बोला था? कौन बोला था?
Sir, I said it was not useful, sir, because we can have the information, but if the ticket is not getting confirmed, it's of no use.
अरे बेटा सुन तो ले. अनीस इसके बाद तू बोलेगा. मुझे जाना है भुवनेश्वर से कोलकाता. कहाँ जाना है?
भुवनेश्वर से कोलकाता, सर.
कोलकाता जाना है. दार्जिलिंग नहीं है. ठीक है. So you have got 2-3 train options. ठीक है. एक में दिख रहा है 70%, एक में दिख रहा है 50%, एक में दिख रहा है 80%. क्या करेगा?
सर 50% के साथ जाएंगे.
अरे देख तेरी का रे.
Can I try?
रोहिणी सवेरे सवेरे तू कुछ ले लिया क्या? अरे रोहिणी. रोहिणी. Do you understand little bit of Odia after doing BBA from DSM? पखाड़ खाइचू. अरे less chance you'll book there. Your parents, your who was your guardian who contacted me?
Sorry, sir.
While doing BBA, who was your guardian who met me sometime?
Sir, my बड़े पापा.
हाँ बड़े पापा बोलेंगे मैं क्या कर दिया केसव में रोहिणी को एडमिशन देके क्या बोल रही है and you will be advising your बड़े पापा की.
Slip of tongue हो गया sir. Sorry sir.
अरे if you are telling बड़े पापा सुबुद्धि सर ने बताया था जहाँ लेस चांस हो वहीं बुक करो. वही बोलेगा.
नहीं.
तू तो डूबेगा मुझे भी डुबाएगी.
सर नहीं डूबेंगे आपको.
somebody was asking सुश्रुत क्या करोगे? सो जाओगे, भाग जाओगे, पैदल जाओगे कोलकाता?
80%, sir. I'll go for the 80% option.
हाँ हायर चांस दिखता है वहाँ तो होने का चांस ज्यादा है ना.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो थोड़ा बहुत यूजफुल रहा नहीं रहा?
यूजफुल रहा, थोड़ा बहुत रहा.
हाँ तो कौन बोल रही थी यूजफुल नहीं है? आर यू नाउ कन्विंस? अरे जल्दी बोलो रे, टाइम सेव करो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry Anish beta, you wanted to say something. Sorry I didn't give you chance. Sorry beta.
No.
बोल जल्दी बोल.
Fine. Actually, the point has already been made.
Okay, thank
so,
you. Thank you.
We have a yeah. So.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल. आगे बढ़े सोनिश. So this is called something like using past data. पिछले time, last to last, all weeks average they have taken. उस ट्रेन में कहाँ तक कंफर्मेशन हुआ था उस हिसाब से प्रोपोर्शन निकाल के IRCTC डाल रहे हैं. ठीक है. So this is how they have calculated, and this is called predictive analysis. ये chance factor है, guarantee नहीं है, but you can imagine how statistics is helping. Okay. ठीक है. Now moving forward, the second example I'll be giving this. Vibhudatta Das.
Yes, sir.
मैं क्यों ये पिक्चर दिखाया? What we are discussing here?
Sir, in this we will
भगवान जाने, सुबुद्धि जाने. मैं क्यों ये पिक्चर दिखाया? सुबुद्धि को पता होगा ना? तू कैसे बताएगा?
नहीं सर, मुझे पता है.
हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं?
सर एक टॉपिक दिया होगा उसके ऊपर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम? Can you guess why the question went to you? You were not attentive. Tarun Gupta. Before 2 slides, what you are discussing? Tarun Gupta, then Nikita Naik.
There is the analysis of the last year trends.
अरे qualitative data, quantitative data बोला था ना?
Qualitative, quantitative analysis of the last year.
Vibhudatta, if you are not answering, I'll note down your roll number. आज से शुरू होगा. Participation mark in plus and non-participation in minus. Vibhudatta के खाता में -1 डालूंगा next class में से. Be alert, all of you, henceforth.
Yes,
now
sir.
7 persons have volunteered. I'm so happy. Now my question here is, from this picture, can anybody find either any data in the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ishita,
Yes, sir. Some data.
then
Yes, sir.
Ishita, bol.
So we can find data from this because at least we'll know the points students are talking about and their perspectives.
Any other volunteer?
Sir, can I answer?
We don't have
Sir,
any
in
data.
this picture we are not seeing any data. तो हमको जो दिख रहा है उससे ये analysis derive करना है. So हमें जो दिख रहा है, there are a couple of students having a discussion. It can be quantitative, it can be qualitative. कोई stats को लेके बोलेगा, कोई उसको किस तरह present करेगा, वो qualitative होगा.
बढ़िया बढ़िया
This
बढ़िया
is-
बढ़िया बढ़िया. Good. Now caption तो लिखा होगा ना, GD practice session.
हाँ
अगर
सर,
GD
group
practice-
discussion.
सुन तो ले बेटा सुन. GD practice session का मतलब कोई तो practice कर रहा होगा.
जी सर.
Let me tell you, they are my mentees. 2 years back, अभी वो complete करके MBA करके, they are well placed and they are my mentees. Okay, so each mentor was asked to make GD practice session. Now, who might have taken the picture, Roslyn Kaur?
So you.
Okay, so what is my role? To take picture, photographer.
So you might, through this picture, you might let us know the number of students or mentees that you had and they had a discussion.
अरे बेटा कैप्शन क्या लिखा है पिक्चर के ऊपर?
Find any data. Yes, sir, I find the number of students is the biggest data
अरे
that I
यार,
can see in this picture.
GD practice session में क्यों कर रहा हूँ?
GD practice session.
बर्बाद करने के लिए कर रहा हूँ.
सर
Yes, sir.
आप आपके आने वाले
To
स्टूडेंट्स को
groom the
प्रिपेयर
students.
करें कि ऐसा कोई जीडी सेशन होता है केस
No,
ऑफ में
sir.
एलुमिनस डेटा प्रेजेंट करके
okay,
लाइक वी
okay,
कैन
okay,
गेस दैट
okay.
दे आर योर एलुमिनाई.
Okay, any other volunteer?
Yes, sir. GD session. They are having GD session. The students are having GD session.
Listen. Discipline. Sayan, then Aishwarya, then Monisha in that order.
So you are there to observe what's the GD discussion is going on, how the GD discussion is going on, but
Bas.
there is no data over here. You can
So
note down the points.
I'll observe, then sleep. Next Aishwarya, then Monisha.
So you are there to evaluate that how
Evaluate. मेरा ये रोल बनता है, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फर्ज बनता है, मैं मेरे मेंटी जो है ना उनको ग्रूम करूं. कहाँ कौन they are doing well, कौन they are not doing well, and what they should do. I'm so happy somebody told me evaluate. Pragya, how do I evaluate? Am I using some parameter, some information, or ऐसे कि like I like Tathagat Das and I just write oh Tathagat is best. Should I tell that, or should I judge something depending looking at something? Prerana Patra, am I making sense, dear? What I am looking
Sir,
at?
I would like to answer.
Bolna.
If you're trying to evaluate something, and if you evaluate really, you will judge or evaluate each student on the basis of their quantitative and qualitative and presentation capacity. कौन से field में excel करता है, कौन से issue, किसका strength कहाँ रहता है, किसका weakness किधर रहता है.
ज़्यादातर briefly बोलने से ये लगता है quantitative लग रहा है या qualitative? जो
क्वालिटेटिव लग रहा है बिकॉज़ फेस टू फेस
क्वालिटेटिव
लग रहा है.
ठीक है, तो वही मुझे बोलना था कि कभी कभार जो डिसीजन मेकिंग होता है हमें भी क्वालिटेटिव डाटा को हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, so this is part of the qualitative data, and that is, I'm happy that one of you told the evaluation. Performance is a qualitative variable. Okay, ठीक है, कौन अच्छा बोली, ठीक है. So the decision making can depend on sometimes qualitative data. Am I convincing you? Okay. Yes. So these are the examples of. I think those who have done job with work experience must have seen this biometric, or even also good schools like KSM. We also have biometric. Yes. Those who have visited KSM, they must be knowing that even every classroom having biometric. So when you are entering, when you are leaving, so that is captured there. Okay. Now, can I ask? Sorry, don't feel bad if I'm randomly asking. Piyali Palit, get ready. If I touch the biometric, can you guess? This type of data may emerge automatically, or you don't foresee, or say I don't know. You can say pass also. Imagine employees entering office, putting fingertip, or you are entering college. There is a biometric, or in hostel also will be giving biometric. And once you touch, just to save time, hope you can guess there is a clock timer. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a job experience and I am from KIT only, sir. I have done my BTech from here only. I understand this machine completely. So when we touch that machine, it has got our fingerprints, complete identification that it is my fingerprint, and the clock in it records the time in which I am giving my fingerprint. Yes,
when
sir.
you have entered, date, time,
Yes, sir.
everything automatically.
Everything will be recorded. Yes.
Generated.
Yes.
Prerana, do you agree with me, Prerana?
So yes, sir.
So now all of you recall that once upon a time I told type of data is auto-generated.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
you are not entering date, time, everything, roll number. Automatically it is generated. Do you agree with me? So sometimes
Yes,
this data is auto-generated. Are you now convinced?
Yes,
Now
sir. I only have
using
one
this, हाँ बोल जल्दी बोल.
सर आप बोले कि ऑटो जनरेटेड हो जाएगा डेटा. सर मतलब यहाँ पर वो मशीन ही तो कर रहा है ना, लाइक सर मशीन जनरेटेड.
अरे बोल रहा हूँ, सुन ले 2 मिनट सुन ले, and don't forget your question. Please ask me if you're not getting answer. Very interesting question. Now this data is used by whom? Bhagavan, Nikita Nayak. This data is used by whom? This data is used by Bhagavan, na?
No, sir, it's used by the teachers to know the attendance of the student.
Why?
Attendance register and the organization they work.
And if it is
Administrative department.
yes, why they should watch? They should be watchful or not?
Yes,
Snehal?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so इसमें से कुछ decision making necessity बनता है नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Timely, who is irregular, who is by chance irregular, but mostly
Regular.
and who is regularly irregular, like Prerana. Joking, don't get angry.
And who is late
like-
and who is coming.
Just joke, okay? Say for example, just to convince you, I can use say to my QT class, who is entering when? Just it's a hypothetical data. All of you please mark it here. Say x-axis, I'm putting it days of a month, day 1, day 2, day 3. Is that making sense? I'll ask you, be vigilant, alert. I can randomly ask anybody. And y-axis, when somebody is entering my QT class. Say my class starts at 9:30 a.m. Okay, and as I have mailed you, what was the first line of my mail, Aishwarya? कोई तो बोलो जल्दी.
Join before
Sir,
5 minutes.
पहले join करना है.
Before 5 minutes.
That my students should be there. So that is the expectation of a teacher. Now maybe there is some genuine issue. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, somebody is coming, fine. But if somebody is coming 10 minutes after, so teacher will be very happy.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, you are listening to me. I'm
No,
just
sir.
checking whether you are listening to me or not. So teacher should be upset. It's a disturbing case. Okay. So if I'm just noticing how they're coming, say for example, this is your senior batch. Just a fictitious data and just for understanding. So all of you dhyan do completely. Now this is how a student called Abhimanyu had attended my class. Soumitra, if you please imagine here, if you take the average, I guess like hope you can understand that his average is almost 9:30. Hena, Jyotisman, are you listening to me or listening music Ramayana, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna?
No, sir, I'm listening to you.
So, what is your impression? What teachers should feel about Abhimanyu? Jyotisman.
Sir, I think he has been the parallel and mentions that he has been.
Should I be happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good, because he's your friend. Suppose, okay, Abhishek Paul, you are listening to me.
Yes, sir.
What is my question?
So your question is, will you be happy with the statistics of this student?
What is your opinion?
Yes, sir.
Very
Will
good.
be happy.
Very good. Thank you so much. Asiya Javed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. All are very obedient students. Shivani Varu.
Sir, I think you won't be happy. You would ask him
Because I was not happy in the answer, previous answer. Shivani was smart. Sir, बार क्यों पूछ रहे? थोड़ा different बोले ही
Can I
बोले.
say? Sir,
Sir, I would like to add.
Can I say you'll be happy with the...
सुनो रे. अरे सुनो रे. अंजलि साहू मैडम. बोधिसत्व. You are joining office. कभी कभार. 9:30 से शुरू होता है ऑफिस. आपने बोला कि अरे कल तो मैंने गया था 9:20 बजे, आज चलते हैं 9:40. चलेगा ऑफिस में ज्वाइन करने के बाद अंजलि?
नहीं.
No, sir, नहीं चलेगा.
Office you may have customers. Why the customers should wait for you? Try to understand, all of you, those who have said yes, 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 yes. If you are supposed to come at 9:30, how can you come later? How
Yes,
and
sir.
why I should be happy? समझा करो थोड़ा. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir. Time management.
Yes, sir.
And it is not average. Why you are late? Why you are late? Class starts at 9:30. What the hell you are coming after 9:30? If you are doing it in office, is it welcome there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
It need to be
So
beforehand.
you can decide. So you can decide the erratic behavior of a student. He is not taking seriously studies. So I can have my decision about a student like this, and I'm analyzing the HR data. Do you agree with me? Imagine
Yes,
this.
sir.
Another person called Asutosh. I think he is also equally bad, PLE Palit.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very
No,
good.
sir, he is a
You
good
are
boy.
awake and alert. Thank you so much. I thought that
He
you are not
is a good
listening.
guy and be in time always.
And what about IUC?
Yes.
He's bad,
Easy
sir.
regular.
He's bad.
The bad.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
And
No,
what
sir.
about this fellow?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
Now,
sir.
please see,
No, sir.
I'm happy that all of you have understood now. he is regularly irregular, except a day when he might have come across कि सुबुद्धि सर ने आज सरप्राइज क्विज करने वाले हैं, so I should go early and consult other क्या क्या क्वेश्चन सुबुद्धि सर करवाए हैं. So he was extra sincere on that day alone, as if that day sun came from west, not from east. And this type of data in real life you can also find. If some data is looking like something abnormal, ये जो है normality है, irregular बनना इसका nature है. ये कैसे regular sincere हो गया? So इस type का aberration को statistics में क्या बोलते हैं? The term here we will be using outlier. All of you note it down. Outlier is some extreme values which is not normal, which is something unacceptable, and the term we use as outlier. Say for example, in a village, you are studying the average income of family. If you can please visualize of a rural scene, one village mostly will be having farmers, and there may be one or two rich zamindar. Do you agree? Can you imagine such a situation?
Yes,
Other villages, families will have some income in say thousands. That zamindar alone will have income in few lakhs. Values are in thousands, and for 1-2 families in few lakhs. Okay, so when you are talking about the richness of India, how about the income of person called Ambani, Adani, and the like?
Outlier.
Sir, outliers. Sir.
Outliers, sir.
Outlier. Representative Indian, when you're talking of, on an average, what is the income of Indians? All of you agree? So this kind of thing will be doing it. Okay. Now just to some happy note, and maybe like you may feel bad, okay, what actually happens in my statistics class. This is actual picture of your super seniors 2 years back. Lot of fun, lot of activity in statistics practical happens. I'm so sorry that we are missing each other. You should have also done this, but never mind. This online class is not a choice but a compulsion. In online also, you and me together can make it interesting. Karna kya hai? Karna to padega. Say for example, last year I was like very surprised, even also online how they made it. I think that was something September 5, Teachers' Day, and if you can mark all the students, they had something like a plan saluting. Can you just mark it here? So you can also make it live our online classes also. Agar online classes hai, to hame sochna hai ki how to make it live, happy, entertaining, and memorable. Okay, so we have to do it meaningful, and this will happen only when you participate. Okay. Now moving forward, I'll be just quickly telling you some applications in field which you may be knowing. Then we'll be devoting some time on some exercise. I think we should have some time for exercise. So I'll be moving very fast here. So don't mind if I'm moving fast. So this is what like any field, starting with sports or cricket. And you can see, I'll be happy if you can give some quick input. Say for example, some figures like a century by Rahul out of 50 ball in 2020, or Suresh Raina's century like this. Now, can I have a quick question here? Is this type of minor analysis will carry some meaning? Will it be useful? Revan Saha.
Yes, sir. It will be help to calculate the run rate.
Okay. Who are you? Don't get surprised. I'll be asking this question 100 times in my class. Who are you? When I'm asking who are you, don't say I'm Revan. I can read your name, Revan. Yes, when you're deciding something, to whom it will be useful as the decision maker. Anybody who is reading my mind can, I think,
Sir,
7
sir,
volunteers.
I
Maybe the
want to
coach,
try,
sir.
sir.
Maybe the coach.
Prerana
Coach.
beta.
Coach
Prerana
team.
beta.
Sir, you
Arup
can
sir.
be a
So the
cricket coach.
coach it will be
Wow,
useful.
wow.
Sir,
Rohini,
sir, you are not just
coach,
a
Sir,
coach,
it
you
will
are
be
a
coach
selection
useful
को
committee.
क्या
for
फायदा?
the
cricket team.
opponent team's captain.
Then Abhishek,
Sir,
roll number
you are a
216.
selection committee.
By using this data, we can just learn that in which area the Rhino has scored more.
Okay, who are you?
Abhishek.
तो अभिषेक कौन बोला? तू तो नरेंद्र मोदी है. अरे अभिषेक, all of you can know from which angle you are deciding. मैंने अभी बोल रहा था ना. I will be asking 100 times who are you. When you are
ऑडियंस भी हो
Sir,
सकता है
according
सर.
to the selection committee.
अच्छा, उसके आगे कुछ सोच के बताओ. कोई डिफरेंट आंसर है? कोई बोलेगा?
Sir, the opposition team. also.
Opposition team, sir. Opposition.
Opposition team is analyzing.
Opposition party भी इंटरेस्टेड होंगे. क्यों प्रेरणा?
सर क्योंकि वो उसका मूवमेंट ट्रैक करेंगे. अच्छा तो वो इस टाइम पे ऐसे स्कोर करे तो हमको उसके हिसाब से स्ट्रैटेजी वीक एरिया है उसी के हिसाब से स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान करना होगा.
फील्ड पोजीशन सेट करें.
That is a decision. So from different angle, when I'm asking who are you, Revan, don't get scared. Okay, you can say I'm opposition party coach. I want to know where he is weak. Okay, so you need to study. Okay.
Sir, this can be useful
So
for the
wo-
player as well to eradicate all the weak, matlab,
Yes,
to
that is
work
your
on
the-
his weakness.
Very good, very good. That is like the coach, as somebody has already told. Thank you. Okay. So every number, every statistics you think view, इसमें फायदा क्या है? Decision making कहाँ होगा? ठीक है? And we will be repeating that. Moving forward, let's skip it. A lot of analysis happens here. Actually, I have some interesting examples here. So, as you know that a term is HouseAd, and you may not be knowing there is also a website, housestat.com, and full of statistics here. Okay. Now, moving forward, I'll be quickly moving, whether be it marketing, HR, finance, everywhere statistics will be applied. In marketing, for example, say you are analyzing the perception of small car owners. Different brands, different makes, different companies are there. So if you are comparing to parameters, service, whether service is good or bad, spare part ability, good or bad, and these are 4 quadrant. As you can guess, this is first quadrant. If a product comes here like this, first quadrant means this is good. So I think Maruti service is better, spare parts availability is better. Suppose a company's product comes here, this quadrant, I think it is good also.
No, sir.
Very good.
No, sir.
So it is
This is
Spare parts availability is also not there.
This type of
And
small
services also.
analysis you can make it. Thank you so much. Moving forward in HR, I think friends like Arijit or Tarun, those who thought कि I'll be taking HR, कि हमें mathematics नहीं करना है, but I'm just telling it in HR also there is a lot of scope for applying statistics. If you can apply statistics in HR, that HR is a special HR and you will be selected first. I'll be giving a lot of examples. Say for example, some research were done in HR. Please see, some researchers have found applying statistics. If employees get timely promotion, elevation means you are elevated, promoted. If one employee gets promotion, he or she in turn will be caring the subordinates. अगर आप खुश हो तो आप खुशी से बाकी लोगों का ध्यान दोगे. So this is finding that the elevation and caring, they are positively correlated. See, simple positive correlation. दो term है, promotion, elevation और height, and वो senior employee का caring tendency, helpfulness attitude, वो दोनों linked है, positive correlation. This has been established by simple statistical formula. Moving ahead, finance, stock market, lot of uses. I will be taking another example, special class on stock market. You will find that very interesting application of statistics. Say, for example, those who might have access to stock market indices, if it is increasing, we call it bullish trend. The term is called bullish. And if the market is down, 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 we call it bearish trend. Okay. And those who have done commerce or BBA, they might have done something here. I'll be taking a special class here. If you take a bigger graph like this, how the stock market has moved. This is exact figure of 2017. So how it is moved. How can I infer? When should I buy? When should I sell? So decision happened on this analysis here. So previous graph was a simple graph. Here this graph is called a candlestick graph, where you call that how much of volume it is sold and how much is the price. Is there any question? Some of you have raised hand. Any question, or can I move ahead? Okay, those who have raised hand, remove it. I'm getting confused. There are so many hand symbols are there. Okay, moving ahead. Say for example, you found that this is a 3 years graph of Nifty. I'll be telling you later. There is no time today. Nifty stands for National Stock Exchange 50 share market. Okay, NSE 50 indices called Nifty. And if the share price moves like this, from this can we make a projection? If you look first, can I say kya hoga aage? And your estimation could land up here. Or if you look, see, and you are pessimistic, अरे नहीं नहीं घट रहा है, कम रहा हो रहा है, and if you make a projection like this, and you are telling कि नहीं नहीं investment नहीं करना है. Or if you take a holistic thing, buy and hold, खरीद के रख सकते हैं, whenever it improves we can sell it. That is called buy and hold technique. Okay, this will be discussing later. Today's purpose is just to tell you that how statistics can be really beautiful in every field. Okay, moving forward, I think scientific research, I think I don't have much time. Snehal, how much of time left? Jaldi bol, 1 second mein bol.
10:40.
20 minutes. A lot of work can happen in scientific research, what we are doing here. A lot of scope are there. Say, for example, I wanted to link from my research quality sleep and how it affects on the employee productivity. I thought this sleep quality is a qualitative variable and productivity can be a quantitative variable. But till I came to know from my colleague, I think all of you young friends, you know Fitbit. I'm so sorry, I'm an old man. I was not knowing Fitbit. I thought sleep quality will be measured qualitatively. But when my colleague, your PGP chairperson Ashok sir, is my neighbor in KSM, he told me we can quantify this. Last night I slept for 7 hours. Deep sleep, red eye. If I can quantify this, that is much better. So this data, if I can analyze, I can link. Agar I'm having a good sleep, next day, is it impacting positively to my work in office or not? That was my research. So now I think this I can move very fast. So sorry if I'm missing something. As some of you might have heard, in management there are 3 levels: lower, middle, and top level. Low level is a transaction or operational or routine decisions. Accordingly, we have got those type of information, transactional information. Middle level, we have got tactical information, and top level we call strategic decisions. So, and the information you require, the strategic information. Some other day, next class, one of you please ask me the example if you are interested. And we have information pyramid. As you can see, this lower portion is bigger. The meaning is you need a lot of data here. If you move off, the quantity of data will be less. This is the only meaning. And let me tell you, this is not coming in our exam. I'm just telling as for statistics GK. Okay. Now moving forward, so you should be happy that in statistics, particularly me, I'll not be using much math, and I can give you so many statistics book which is without any math. Okay, you should be happy. Snehal, you are happy? So no math. Now yes, I guess like you had PPT. All of you take a screenshot, mobile screenshot quickly. 1 minute, all of you take. And I'll be forming small groups. Within groups, You have to discuss and tell me the answer. I'm not helping you. I'll be forming group. Either you open the PPT I had shared or take a screenshot. In the group, you have to discuss yourself. Okay. As this is the first case example of my class, let me devote only half a minute so that I will be telling you help. Prerana Patra, can I trouble you?
Sir, anytime, sir. You can scold me, throw me.
Wow. License Dejalu. So here what should be done?
Make more full usage of it, sir. So here we are seeing the this table
करना
gives
क्या है? सुन रहे. करना क्या है? Last sentence part.
decide which age group buyer most frequently buys.
उससे भूलना नहीं है.
जी सर.
इसी decision क्या लेना है? उसके लिए करना क्या है? Two things. What we want to decide for this करना क्या है? So it is something like a wild discussion. Now I'm stopping it. Hope you have taken the screenshot. I'm forming small groups and please actively participate. I'll be watching from outside. कौन participate कर रहा है, कौन नहीं कर रहा है. And here you go, join your group, Bracao groups. जल्दी join करो.